Hello student, we learn the first chapter units and measurement. Now we study about the exercise of first chapter unit and measurement. First question is choose the correct option, means MCQ. First question, L1 M1 t raised to minus 2 is the dimensional formula for ऑप्शन्स दिलेले velocity, acceleration, force and work. Velocity, their dimensions are distance upon time, means L1 t raised to minus 1. Then acceleration, meter per second square, means L1 t raised to minus 2. Force is equal to mass into acceleration, means m1 L1, acceleration's dimension L1 t raised to minus 2. Therefore L1 m1 t raised to minus 2, that are the dimensions of force, physical quantity. Dimension of force. Second MCQ. The error in the measurement of the sides of a rectangle. Sides of rectangle 1%. That side is also 1%. Therefore, the error in the measurement of its area. Error in the measurement of its area. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B. L into B means delta A upon A. Capital A represents area. Delta A upon A is equal to L into B, means delta L upon L plus delta B upon B. But that error is 1%. 1% plus that area is also, that breadth error is also 1%. Therefore, that area in delta A upon A, 1% plus 1% means 2%. Similarly, delta A upon A is equal to 2%. Means the error measurement in its area is L into B, but by formula L into B, delta L plus L plus delta B by B. Suppose जर तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी असा फॉर्म्युला दिलेला असला L upon B, L cube upon B square, then L cube 3 into delta L upon L, 3 पॉवर आहे म्हणून ती काय ते मल्टिप्लाय आहे, प्लस जरी मल्टिप्लाय असेल डिव्हिजन असेल तरी काय करायचं ऍडिशन करायची, याची पॉवर 2 आहे म्हणून 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं, डेल्टा B अपॉन B, 3 into delta L upon L plus 2 into delta B upon B. हे एक एक्झाम्पल घेतलं मी. L cube upon B square असा जर फॉर्म्युला दिलेला असेल तर त्याचा आपल्याला एरर, पर्सेंटेज एरर कसा काढता येतो, तर ते या फॉर्म्युल्याने आपल्याला काढता येतो. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, थर्ड MCQ. Light year is the unit of. Light year. Light year is a unit of force, time, mass, distance and luminosity. Light year is the unit of distance. Light year is the unit of distance. Then म्हणजे उदाहरणार्थ सूर्य हा पृथ्वीपासून किती डिस्टन्सवर आहे, जर सूर्याचे किरण पृथ्वीवर किती वेळात येऊन पोहोचतात, जर आपल्याला त्या प्रकाशाचा वेग माहिती असेल तर त्याने किती वेळात येऊन पोहोचतात तर आपल्याला त्यातील डिस्टन्स काढता येतं. म्हणून लाईट इयर इज द युनिट ऑफ डिस्टन्स. लाईट इयर इज द युनिट ऑफ डिस्टन्स. फोर्थ MCQ. Dimension of kinetic energy are same as that of. Dimension of kinetic energy. Dimension of energy means kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. Work is the capacity to do work is called as energy. Therefore, work and energy having same dimension, both have same dimension, work and energy. Therefore, options are given: force, acceleration, work and pressure. Energy and work having same dimension, therefore option is work. Fifth MCQ. Which of the following is not a fundamental unit? Which of the following is not a fundamental unit? 7 fundamental units: length, fundamental quantities: length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, amount of substance. Therefore, that 7 fundamental quantities and their units are known as fundamental units. But centimeter, given options: centimeter, kg, kilogram, centigrade and volt. Question is, which of the following is not a fundamental unit? Is not a fundamental unit. Therefore, centimeter is the insidious system length, fundamental quantity. Kilogram is also, mass is measured in kilogram. And centigrade, temperature. And volt. Volt is not a fundamental unit. Not a fundamental unit is volt. Is volt. Now we see the next question.